Examples of smart contracts. Let's take a look at some examples of smart contracts in action. Real estate contracts can be executed through smart contracts, which automate the transfer of property ownership and eliminate the need for intermediaries. Insurance claims can also be processed through smart contracts, which automate the verification and payment of claims.